Thank you, colleagues. Thank you so much for putting these things in just 20 minutes, what we have done in 1.5 days. The good thing is, when we have started, and without knowing anything, the only idea, like what Dr. Mishra mentioned, how best we can bring all these streams together to address the bigger challenges what we have in front. Maybe food security, maybe climate change. When we are talking about some of the challenges, one institute may not be able to do that one. How best we can bring the partners together, the partnership, the strength in the partnership. As I mentioned in the welcome remark, if we need to organize this kind of meeting, David, usually that takes $100,000 to $150,000 million. I think with that. I'm sorry, not millions. So we are talking about the millions, $100,000. So, but if you can look at we did not spend that money, and then the founding members spend that money, because it's all together, we share the cost. The consortium is all about how best we are bringing these partners together, take the strength of that partnership, how we can get benefit out of these shared resources and provide greater impacts to those shared resources. So that's the whole idea. But when we have started that one, and how best we can bring other streams also, Dr. Mishra pointed out, it's not only the plant, and also the fisheries, the other area, how best we can bring that one together, create that one agriculture, one science, and global education consortium. When we will discuss the few things that come out very clearly, the three areas, like the up-to-date curriculum that can be used for any stakeholders to create those next generation leaders. They can be like Norman Borlaug, Professor Swaminathan, what Dr. Mishra mentioned. Unless and until these next generation individuals that will not get an access to those good quality individuals and good quality curriculum, we may not be able to produce those kind of students. Of course, the runtime environment that may be an online, that may be a flipped classroom approach, we can use this material to supplement or to complement our ongoing classroom education also. So the runtime environment is different, we can choose. That's already the acceptance of those individuals, how they would like to use this one. That we got applied. But one point, what come out very clearly is we also need to focus on the extension aspects that should be brought in a bigger way, see how we can provide support to that one also. That point was mentioned very clearly. And in fact, if you can look at when we thought about this meeting, we brought wide variety of audience. You can see the NGOs who are actively working in this particular area to get their inputs, and also to see how best we can strengthen this one also. The stakeholders, as my colleagues mentioned, that may be students or extension agents, national agriculture basis system scientists, any individual who would like to be in a continuous lifelong learning mode to enhance their capacities to execute their ongoing activities, otherwise to equip new strength, to contribute to the new approach or a new methodology. But at the same time, is it easy to execute or operate these things at one platform, having a global level? No, because we have a diversified cultures. We have those challenges in respective regions. The idea of this regional chapter is extremely great. We did not think about that one, that came very clearly. And thank you for that one. And also, David, probably most of the time, because ICR having the good relationships, and the DDT education always very, very supportive of this initiative, because our strengths are very good and the relationships are good with ICR. And few of these leaders, the vice chancellors, honorable vice chancellors, they have indicated the KSIConnect need to initiate a dialogue to brought in the ICR very clearly in this one to get the ICR support also. We will be having a meeting, we can initiate a discussion. We did in Dileepkumar was there last time when we have organized this meeting, and he has expressed and provided a positive response. He made the same comments in the recent Agriculture Science Congress. So overall, the good thing is the 3 points are coming. We are all supportive of this initiative, and we have agreed upon taking this one further. But how do we need to further strengthen this bylaw? We are going to work on that one. Come back to you. That's very, very important. to look at those regional challenges, how best we can incorporate it on all the founding members. They will work on it. That's what I wanted to share, but thanks for this opportunity because of you people, because you are all like very busy individuals, you have provided your input to understand those difficulties and the challenges and foreseeing those things to make it